Hello, welcome to a Getting Started video. Today we cover Web of Science. We'll go over how to access the database, what's in it, and how to do a basic search. Let's get started. Go to the library website at lib.purdue.edu to locate our A to Z list of databases. You'll find Web of Science there. In the video, we'll be talking about all of the Web of Science databases, including the core collection. Web of Science is one of the largest academic databases in the world. Use it to search for journal, conference, and book content across 250 plus research areas covering most topics, all connected via citation. The content includes more than 85 million results from 21,000 plus academic journals, 300,000 plus academic conferences, and over 134,000 books. Component parts include Web of Science Core Collection, Biosys Previews, CAB Abstracts in Global Health, Data Citation Index, and more. The main page. To leverage Web of Science functionality, you need to register for a free account. If you register, the left menu is to toggle between your search alerts, history, and more. In the middle, you'll find the search window. There are two main ways to use it. 1. Documents. You can find articles by topic, author, and more. It's the typical way to look for information. 2. Cited references. Think of this as a unique power search. You can pick an author and find who's citing them. You can also find every work cited in an article. The method is called citation tracking. Today we'll cover how to do a document search, not cited references. You can search by exact fields like topic or funding agency. You can add rows and input a date range. You can click on the advanced search link if you want more customization. We'll demonstrate a basic search. The default is to look in all databases. We'll limit to Web of Science Core Collection and the Social Sciences Citation Index. Next, we'll pick the topic field from the drop-down and type economics. We'll add another row so that we can also search crop production. We'll then limit the publication date to the last 5 years. The results appear. On the left, a variety of filters to narrow the findings. For example, we'll limit to content published in 2022 or 2023. Every result gives the title, author, date, and an overview of the work. Citations is the number of other works that cite the article we're looking at. Click on the link to go to the citing works. References is the list of citations found in the content we're looking at. Click on the link to go to the works list of references. When you click on a title, you'll find more information like the DOI, the equivalent of a Social Security number for an academic article. Near the top of the page, you'll find ways to obtain the full text. For example, pick the Find It button to check if full text is available through Purdue Libraries. You can likewise look up full text at Google Scholar. You can export the citation to other academic productivity tools like EndNote or email it. You can add the result to a marked list that will make it easier to find later. If you're a veteran scholar, the journal impact factor is located at the bottom of the page. If you need more help with Web of Science, look for the question mark button in the bottom right corner. Now you know how to access Web of Science, what's in it, and how to do a basic search. For more information, visit the Parish Library homepage. If you have questions, please contact the Parish Library.